Indiana has a shortage of prosecuting attorneys. That's according to the Indiana Prosecuting Attorneys Council. The council says the state's low pay is what's keeping rural prosecutors' offices from being fully staffed. News 10's Caitlin Hunt explains how this is affecting one Wabash Valley county.
Emily Clark is the Clay County prosecutor. She says she moved to the county back in 2015 to fulfill the area's need for attorneys.
When I graduated law school, a lot of the local attorneys said, Clay County really has a need. There just isn't very many attorneys there.
Almost a decade later, that seems to still be the case. Clark says 3 prosecutors currently work in the office, which is 4 short of the office being fully staffed. And it doesn't help that Clay County is seeing an increase in filings and certain types of crime.
Violent crimes, which take up a lot of time, a lot of resources, a lot of manpower to operate with those cases.
Clark says the attorney pool is simply aging, but she also says an attorney's salary could also be a reason for the shortage.
If people can't afford to, have college savings for their kids, but they're still working these long hours and encountering these horrible life circumstances and carrying that burden of other people, yeah, they may seek to do a different job.
Courtney Curtis with the Indiana Prosecuting Attorneys Council agrees. She says most attorneys are being paid $20,000 less than Department of Child Services attorneys. Curtis believes these types of attorneys need to be compensated for their work. And Curtis, IPAC, and Clark believe it's time for Indiana lawmakers to step in, or the shortage could get worse.
I think there's going to have to be something at the state level that says this is what prosecutors' caseload needs to be, and this is what prosecutors' salaries need to be.
With this legislative session being a non-budget year, Curtis says it's hard to pass a bill addressing pay, but she says she will be speaking with lawmakers next budget session to address the issue. In the newsroom, Caitlin Hunt, News 10.